Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to enable Facebook share button. Open your Facebook app and first you need to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then you can go to your profile. Now you can see your all posted posts in here. So select one you want to enable share button. Next you need to click on these three dots in the top right corner. Now you need to go to edit privacy option in here. If you have selected the only me option in here, no one can see or share your post. If you have selected the friend option, only your friends can see and share your post. So if you selected the public option in here, any person who access to your account can easily share and see your post. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.